Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I'm doing a IMS bearing for a 986 Boxster, which is this car here. So what I'm doing is I've removed the actual old one. That's the old one there, IMS bearing, which is the same one as the actual 996. Share the same one, 996. This is the brand new one I'm putting in. That one there, it's a roller bearing, so I'm going to take it out to show you. See in there? You can't beat a roller bearing. Even distribution of force all around. Alright, so I'm going to put that one in. So it's all nice, and I'm going to clean it more later. I've got a brand new rear main seal, it's all done. Brand new oil vapor separator there. Brand new water pump here. See how you got to lock the camshaft there and there as well. You got to lock the camshaft so it doesn't move, and a few things I've got to finish cleaning the intake manifold, and it's not locked there for the actual crankshaft. Alright, but I just want to show you what I'm doing next. CV boot, so I'm rebuilding the CV boot, so I'm stripped down the CV boot here. So the CV boot was taken out all down on the floor here, so I've got a new boot now. I'm going to put a new boot in first through here, and then I'm going to put the new shaft, put the shaft back in, put new grease, clean it up, put new grease, put the new circlip as well, put it back together because both shafts are actually torn. So I'll show you the part of the old one. See, that's the old CV boot. It's all cut to pieces, just hanging around there. So that's the 986 Boxster. So I'm gonna finish both. Hopefully I can put the car back up, the engine back in on Monday or maybe tomorrow. I've got to replace the release bearing and in the clutch and clutch kit. Alright, so I do a lot of this as well. 996, 986. I do 997, but 997 you gotta have a special tool to drill it out, so you don't have to take the whole engine apart. But yep, that's a 997 turbo there, so I gotta get that done as well. So, alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.